Are you getting a maintenance error code on your server and wondering what the problem could be? Are you wondering if there are possible ways to salvage this maintenance error problem? Well, I'm glad to let you know that there are quite a few things you can try before contacting Tesla. The 503 server maintenance error code usually pops up due to an underlying maintenance problem. Either the server cannot handle the request at that moment, or it's been taken down for maintenance. Sometimes, a server overload can cause that, but a simple solution like troubleshooting can resolve the 503 maintenance error problem. 6 reasons for 503 error message on Tesla. When that error code pops up, it most likely signifies that the Tesla server app is under maintenance. Now, I'll show you why you might be getting an error message from Tesla. Number 1. Server problem. 503 HTTP response code is part of the 5XX range of error codes. 503 maintenance code gives error messages when it's having server problems. Number 2. Server maintenance status. You'll find the server behaving abnormally from its normal state. Sometimes you can even get a blank screen with the error code message. Number 3. Server overload. When the Tesla server piles up so many requests, it glitches and hooks when you give it an additional request. In such a case, it's wise to let the server be because it is trying to clear pending requests. Number 4. Automatic configuration. Another factor that can cause a 503 error code maintenance is an automatic configuration. When that's the case, your server frequently sends maintenance error messages. Number 5. Server connectivity issues. When one chain in your server is down or not functioning properly, you'll get an error message that the server is terrible. Number 6. Firewall improper configuration. The firewall helps to determine the rightness of additional traffic that passes through the software. If the firewall has an improper configuration somewhere in the software, you'll get a maintenance error message. Alright, so, as you know the possible reasons of 503 server maintenance error on your Tesla, it's time to discuss how to fix Tesla 503 error code. Let's get into this. Fixing the Tesla 503 error code is multifactorial. So, to tackle the error situation, you'll need to rule out different factors one after the other. Please don't skip any facts but follow how I'll outline the solution to the error code messages. Number 1. Thorough application backup. Doing a thorough backup of your application and database is the first thing you must ensure. If you don't do this backup and you go ahead to attempt fixes, you may end up with additional damages. One sure way to do the backup is to create the exact copy of your Tesla application on a secondary server. Performing the backup is important because you'll have a better ground to work on and clear all potential problems. Number 2. Server maintenance. If the server is down for maintenance, it'll reject all additional requests. The only way you can salvage this situation is to contact the Tesla support team for assistance. Only Tesla administrators can access the server to abort the server maintenance problem. Number 3. Overloading of server. If the maintenance is down due to a server overload problem, it'll give you a server maintenance error message. That often happens when there's a pileup of multiple requests alongside additional incoming requests. In such a case, the best thing to do is give it time to incorporate itself into functioning correctly. After waiting a while, check to see if the server is configured correctly. If so, the error message will disappear. Number 4. Troubleshoot the server. If server maintenance or overload isn't the cause of the error messages you're receiving, you may want to troubleshoot. Let me summarize the steps to take when you want to troubleshoot the Tesla server. Number 1. Reboot the server. Rebooting the server would help resolve the error code when there is a bottleneck within the server chain. Number 2. Check for unexpected maintenance. If there is an automatic server maintenance setting, getting error codes frequently won't be a surprise. Number 3. Impaired server connectivity. If any chain within the server is down or abnormally functioning, you'll constantly see a maintenance error code. Number 4. Firewall configuration. Check the firewall configuration to see that it isn't wrong. Number 5. Check the application and server logs. Checking the application and the server logs will give you details of what is happening within the Tesla server. Number 6. Check the script bugs. After reviewing everything and the error persists, assess the script bug status. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to support us.